What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back. More tech, more reviews, and we finally got this in-house. This is the brand new blue version of the iPad Air 5th generation. And today, we'll open it, get our first impressions, and we'll talk about it. Let's go. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and get this bad boy open. Very simple. Now, last year's blue model was more of a silver. So you can see from the side, it does have blue. Blue on front, blue on side, blue Apple logo, blue Apple logo. All right. So many of the bigger YouTube channels all got the blue version. And with outside of the M1 processor in here, I'm pretty much thinking this is the only difference. Now, the blue is nice. Let's just take a moment to appreciate. They finally gave us a real blue. Last year was a disappointment blue, but this one, super nice, looks really good, nice and vibrant. We like it. Well, I like it. I don't know about anybody else, but I like it. So, inside the box, let's just put that over there. You get your normal packet of Apple stuff. Let's see if they gave us some blue stickers. Okay, that's all that, and nope, no blue stickers. So you do get white stickers. Now, it would have been nice if we had gotten blue stickers with that. I would have liked that. You do get a USB Type-C to C charging cable. As always, that's what we got. It's USB Type-C, and you get your charging brick with this device as well. All right, so it's out of the box. I gotta go ahead and turn this thing on, put all my information in, get all that stuff going. We know we got the M1 processor in here. We know we still got USB Type-C. We got speakers down bottom, as well as speakers up top. Touch ID still on deck. Volume rockers over here on the side. And we got that camera on the back and front-facing camera up here. Not a whole lot. It feels really good. It feels just like the old version, same size as the 11. We got to talk about it because I'll be basically breaking down, should you get this one or should you probably wait a few months for the new 11 Pro, or should you go ahead and just probably get an 11 Pro if you're in the market for this size of a tablet. But before we get going, I do have a few things I want to discuss that are on the table. Now, we know Apple Pencil is still going to stick magnetically to the top. We know this actually charges through USB Type-C, and Anker has been nice enough to send over some of these new Nano chargers. Now, these don't fold, they don't bend, they don't do anything else but look like this. But this is a 40-watt dedicated charger, and it actually has two Smart IQ charging ports on it. Now, this thing is really, really nice because, number one, when you're using a single port, you're going to get a full 40-watt charge. And when you're using both of them, it's going to divide it up between the two devices. But it has the Smart IQ technology so that when your device gets to a certain point, it's not going to overheat and things of that nature. They do have this version, which fits right in the palm of my hand. And then they have the smaller version of this Nano. Now, this one, once again, does not fold. It would have been so dope if it had folded up. But either way, it's still super small, super convenient to carry around. And this one supports a 20-watt charge. And it comes in a bunch of different colors. So what I'll be doing is I'm going to be giving away about 7 of these. So it's simple. All you got to do is subscribe. Let me know why you want one of these. And go over to social media and tag one of your friends in this giveaway. All that information is going to be below. But these are the Anker Nano chargers with the IQ technology built into them, 20 watt as well as 40 watt. And this, my friends, is the blue iPad Air 5th generation. Yeah, we definitely got to talk about it. So as far as my first impression goes, it looks just like the old version. It's not really a lot to be impressed about except for that color. I really like the color on it. It's a big improvement over last year's color, but we'll dive into the actual device a little bit later on in another video. Be sure to enter to win one of those Nano chargers, and I'll also drop a link below just in case you want to go by and check them out. But until next time, be sure and give me that big thumbs up, and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.